Hi there. I'd like to show you how you can sign up for the Acrylic Portrait Painting Challenge and get your welcome kit. Now, the welcome kit is going to contain everything you need to paint the portrait along with us. It has the front page of the overview, also has the supplies list, everything you need, canvas, brushes, paint, everything you'll need to paint with us. And that's a few pages long, so you'll know exactly what to shop for. Also has the palette layout guide, so you know how to arrange your paints so that they don't get muddy, and you can do optimal mixing. And then you also have the reference photo, what we'll be painting from. It's an 8x10 reference photo. And I also give you a version with the grid, so you don't have to mess around with that. You'll have the grid so you can get a good precise sketch. And then lastly, we have the masterclass lesson schedule. And so you'll know, what I'll be teaching on and approximately when these lessons will be coming out. Now, here's how to sign up for the Acrylic Portrait Painting Challenge. And by the way, it's completely free, so feel free to sign up for it. You'll get access to, like 7, 8 lessons. Like say that everything you need to paint along with this, the supplies list. I mean, you have to shop for it, obviously, but you'll know exactly what you need. And you'll get the camaraderie of other students painting along with you in our private Facebook group if you're not already a member of that. So definitely sign up, and we're going to have a fantastic time. All right, so here's how to sign up. Let me show you. I'm going to switch over to my screen, and it'll pull up the page. And you might be wondering, why are you showing me this? Well, we've had a few folks that are wondering, how to get their welcome kit. They had some issues, and that's okay. It's good to ask questions, good to get help. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Realisticacrylic.com, acrylic-portrait-painting-challenge. When you put that in, that'll take you right to the sign up page. You'll probably have a link here in the description of the video or in the comments. So just click that, or you can type it in. And that will take you right to this page here. And you just go ahead and scroll down to that orange button, click Let's Do It. Might look a little bit different if you're doing this from a phone or a tablet, but process should be very similar. In order to get it onto your phone, might be a bit different. I would recommend doing this on a computer if you're going to print out that welcome kit, but if you're going to save it to your phone, you should be able to just download it to your phone or your tablet. Go ahead here and fill out the information on this final sign up page. Just put in your name. First name goes here. Last name goes there. Then you just put in your email right here and click the button, send me the welcome kit. And when you do that, it'll take you to a page. You are registered for the challenge. So follow the step-by-step instructions here. Join the Facebook group if you're not a member already. That will give you access to many, many artists who will encourage you along in your portrait painting journey. And you can post your any struggles you're having, get the help you need to get unstuck, or you can post your progress and get some much needed encouragement. But yeah, join that Facebook group. Mark my emails when you get an email from me as important, or star the email so you don't miss anything. And I'll be sending you emails to let you know when the new lessons are coming out or anything else that's important regarding the challenge. And of course, you can unsubscribe at any time, so no worries there. Share this challenge with your artist friends. Yeah, definitely share this, the page, the sign up page, and then they can download their own welcome kit. And here's the area where you can download it. Step number 5. Okay, so you just kind of scroll down and you're going to click Acrylic Portrait Painting Challenge Welcome Kit for the Winter 2024-5 challenge. That's the current challenge. So go ahead and click that, and it'll take you to this PDF file where you can basically go to the top and just download it. Click that button, download it to your computer or your tablet or phone. You can also right click on it and save as and download it that way too. So there's a few different ways you can do it. And that is basically it. That's how you get the welcome kit. Once you have it on your computer, like I say, you can go ahead and print it off. It'll look like this. Staple these pages together if you'd like, or put them in a file folder, whatever works for you. And we'll be painting this challenge, or we'll be doing this challenge in just a couple of days as I record this video. So I'm excited. In the first video, I'll be showing you the supplies that you need to paint this challenge with us. And then after that, we'll be prepping the canvas. We'll be getting that canvas ready for the grid and the sketching process, and then dive into painting it from there. All right, so I'm looking forward to teaching you. We're gonna have a great time. Sign up for the challenge. It's completely free. realisticacrylic.com/acrylic-portrait-painting-challenge. Looking forward to teaching you. Let me know if you have any questions. Share this with a friend. God bless, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.